After studying this lesson, you are expected to 1. Restate the facts about the informational texts you have listened to. 2. Identify facts found in informational texts. 3. Tell the importance of following traffic rules and planting trees in the environment. You need more time to answer? Pause the video. Then, finish your activities before you continue to the next activity. Pre-test activity. Pre-test. Directions. Listen carefully. Then, fill in the missing words to complete the restated sentences. Write the letter of the correct answer. Get ready to listen now. Air pollution. Air pollution happens when smoke or harmful gases affect the air. Smoke is bad for the environment and for our health. Smoke from factories and cars can cause air pollution. Some home products and painting materials are also bad for our body. To avoid air pollution, we must plant trees. Trees are natural air cleaners. Get ready to answer the following. 1. Air pollution is caused by blank. A. Animals. B. Trees. C. Smoke and harmful gases. 2. Smoke is bad for our blank. A. Bags. B. Cars. C. Health. 3. Cars and factories can cause smoke that is blank for us. A. Bad. B. Good. C. Healthy. 4. To stop air pollution we need to plant blank. A. Animals. B. Fruits. C. Trees. 5. Trees make the air blank. A. Bad. B. Clean. C. Dirty. Now, let's review our past lesson by answering the looking back activity. Looking back. Children have the right to quality education. Parents enroll their children to school for them to learn. Below is a pictograph that shows the number of pupils who are enrolled in grade 3. Study and answer the following questions. 1. Which section shows the most number of pupils enrolled in grade 3? 2. Which sections show the same number of pupils enrolled in grade 3? 3. How many pupils are enrolled in section Grace? 4. How many pupils are enrolled in section Honesty? 5. How many pupils are enrolled in grade 3?
Time to check. Wow, nice job!
We are in English 3. Quarter 4. Week 5. Our objective is to restate facts from informational texts listened to, such as climate change, children's rights, traffic safety, etc. Can you name the following informational text? Brochure, manual, poster, biography, recipe book, newspaper, diary, encyclopedia. They are examples of sources of informational text. An informational text are factual text. Informational texts are factual information about specific topics that are conveyed to the readers in different forms. Authors of informational texts employ a variety of structures to assist readers in finding information quickly and efficiently. Let's have this example. Listen carefully as your teacher read the paragraph. Get ready to listen now. All children like you are special. You have the right to be born and have a name. You also have the right to quality education. You go to school to learn new things. Children also have the right to play and have fun. Based on what you have heard, what are the facts from the paragraph? These are the facts from the paragraph. 1. You have the right to be born. How can you restate this sentence? When you restate this, you can say, children have the right to be born. 2. You go to school to learn new things. How can you restate this sentence? When you restate this, you can say, in school we learn new things. What is restating means? Restating a fact is a means of expressing or stating original ideas using your own words. Some of the ways to restate is by paraphrasing and summarizing. Restating usually draws information from an existing information or details. Now, let's try another example. Again, listen carefully as your teacher reads the next passage. Get ready, here we go. Road safety is the protection and prevention of road accidents by following all the road safety measures. It is very important to know the traffic lights and signals. Traffic lights and signals for pedestrians should be observed. Red man light means do not cross. If you see it, you should not walk. Green man light means you are safe to cross the pedestrian and you can walk. In traffic signals, red means stop. When the signal turns red, all vehicles have to stop. Green means go. When the signal turns green, vehicles should move. Yellow means slow down. When the signal turns yellow, vehicles should slow down. What is the passage about? The passage is about the road safety. What are the important facts about road safety? Know the traffic lights and signals. Following all the road safety measures. Traffic lights and signals for pedestrians. Traffic lights and signals for vehicles. And traffic lights are red, green and yellow. Let's restate the facts from the passage listened to by paraphrasing the related facts about road safety. These related important facts will be our guide to say them in our own words. Let's try fact number 1. Know the traffic lights and signals. We can say, road safety means knowing the traffic lights and signals. Fact number 2. Following all the road safety measures. We can say, always follow all the road safety measures. Next we can combine facts number 3. Traffic lights and signals for pedestrians, and fact number 4. Traffic lights and signals for vehicles. We can say, traffic lights and signals are for both pedestrians and vehicles to follow. Fact number 5. Traffic lights are red, green and yellow. We can say, there are red, green, and yellow colors in the traffic lights. We can also add, wait for the traffic light turns green before walking or moving. This time, let's restate the facts by summarizing. When summarizing we use a paragraph format. Remember to indent the first sentence in the paragraph. Now, let's begin our first sentence, which is road safety means knowing the traffic lights and signals. Then, after the period follow the second sentence. Likewise, with the third, fourth, and the last sentence. Always use capitalization in all first letter in each sentences. Let's learn more about restating facts from informational texts. Listen to. Listen carefully. Get ready. Why do earthquakes happen? Earthquakes usually happen when underground rocks suddenly breaks along a fault. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake. When two blocks of rock or two plates are rubbing against each other, they stick a little. They do not just slide smoothly, the rocks catch on each other. The rocks are still pushing against each other, but not moving. After a while, the rocks break because of all the pressure that was built up. When rocks break, an earthquake occurs. During and after an earthquake, the plates or blocks of rocks start moving, and they continue to move until they get stuck again. The spot underground where the rock breaks is called the focus of the earthquake. The place right above the focus, on top of the ground, is called the epicenter of an earthquake. What are the cause and effect of earthquakes based on the informational text you listened to? Cause number 1. When underground rocks suddenly breaks along a fault. Then, the effect, makes the ground shake. Using the cause and effect relationship, let's restate the facts by combining them together in a sentence. We can say, when underground rocks suddenly breaks along a fault, this makes the ground shake. Cause number 2. Because of all the pressure that was built up. Then, the effect, the rocks break. We can restate them by saying, because of all the pressure that was built up, the rocks break. Cause number 3. When the rocks break. Then, the effect, an earthquake occurs. We can restate them by saying, when the rocks break, an earthquake occurs.
Module Activity Time.
Activity A. Directions. Listen attentively as your teacher reads the paragraphs. Then, answer the following activities. Listen carefully to all important facts. Let's begin. Plants. Plants can grow almost everywhere. Most of them can be seen in forests and mountains. You can see plants in your own backyard too. Plants have the same basic parts, which are the roots, stem, and leaves. The roots get water from the soil, they also hold the plant on the ground. Stem moves the water to all parts of the plant. Leaves are important too, they collect light from the sun to make their own food. Plants are important to us, we must take care of them. Write the missing words in the blank to complete the sentences. 1. Plants have the same basic parts, which are the blank, blank and blank. Ears, nose, eyes, tail, feathers, beak. Roots, stem, leaves. 2. The blank get water from the soil. Roots, air, sun. 3. Blank moves the water to all the parts of the plant. Seed, stem, fruit. Next, choose the restated sentences for the following facts. Write the letter of the correct answer on the blank. 4. Plants are important to us. 5. Leaves are important too, they collect light from the sun. A. The light from the sun is collected by the leaves. B. Plants are important to all living things. Activity B. Directions. Listen attentively as your teacher reads the informational text. Then, fill in the missing word to complete the restated sentences. Here we go. Red, green and yellow are the colors of traffic lights. You can see them in intersections and pedestrian lanes. They are used to control traffic flow. When the light turns red, it means stop. Yellow light means get ready to stop, for the light is about to turn red. Green light means go. You must follow traffic lights for your safety on the roads. 1. Fact: red, green, and yellow are the colors of traffic lights. Restate: traffic lights have blank green and yellow colors. 2. Fact: when the light turns red, it means stop. Restate: the red light means blank. 3. Fact: yellow light means get ready to stop, for the light is about to turn red. Restate: when you see the yellow light it means get blank to stop. 4. Fact: green light means go. Restate: when you see the green light it means blank. 5. Fact: you must follow traffic lights for your safety on the roads. Restate: for us to be safe on the road we must follow the blank lights.
Time to check.
Wow!
Let's check your understanding. Check for understanding. Directions. Listen attentively as your teacher reads the informational text. Then, fill in the missing word to complete the restated sentences. Get ready to listen now. What do plants need in order to live? Like us, plants have needs too. In order to grow, plants need 4 basic things: sunlight, air, water, and nutrients from the soil. Sunlight helps the plants to make their own food. Water helps the plants by carrying nutrients to all its parts. Air is needed for the roots to breathe. Soil holds the plant on the ground. Plants need love and care too. Now, answer the following. 1. Fact: in order to grow, plants need 4 basic things: sunlight, air, water, and soil. Restate: plants need sunlight, water, blank, and soil to grow. 2. Fact: sunlight helps the plants to make their own food. Restate: plants make their own food with the help of blank. 3. Fact: air is needed for the roots to breathe. Restate: plants also need blank to breathe. 4. Fact: soil holds the plant on the ground. Restate: blank keeps the plant on the ground. And 5. Fact: plants provide us food, shelter, and medicine. Restate: plants give us blank, shelter and medicine.
Time to test.
Great job!
Remember, restating a fact is a means of expressing or stating original ideas using your own words. In effect, it can change the structure of the sentence by either making it shorter or longer. Restating can be done in varied ways. Some of the ways to restate is by paraphrasing and summarizing. Remember, restating usually draws information from an existing information or details. This is known as informational text, which is in the form of a story, a passage, an article, or a news. These informational texts are factual.
You are now ready to finish your module. Post-test activity.
Post-test. Directions. Listen attentively as your teacher reads the informational text. Then, complete the restated sentences. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Are you ready to listen? Let's begin. Importance of trees. Humans and animals need trees in their everyday lives. Trees give us fruits that we eat. They are also home for different animals and insects. They give us fresh air. They prevent flooding because they absorb water from rain. They are also used to build houses and fences. Planting new trees is needed to replace the ones being cut down. Trees are important to all living things. Let's begin answering the following. 1. Fact: humans and animals need trees for their everyday lives. Restate: trees are blank for living things. A. Important. B. Useless. C. Not needed. 2. Fact: trees give us fruits that we eat. Restate: trees provide us blank. A. Water. B. Fruits. C. Salt. 3. Fact: trees give us fresh air. Restate: trees provide us blank. A. Dirty environment. B. Clean air. C. Garbage. 4. Fact: trees are also home for different animals and insects. Restate: some animals and insects live on blank. A. Boat. B. Trees. C. Chair. 5. Fact: trees are also used to build houses and fences. Restate: people use trees to make blank. A. Fork. B. houses and fences. C. cars. Reflective activity. Have you learned something from our lesson? Answer the following questions below. 1. Is listening attentively important? Why? 2. Why do we need to follow traffic lights? 3. Why do we need to plant trees? Your timer start now.
Congratulations! Good job! That is all for today, kids. Bye! Until next time!